Now I'd like to show you how simple and easy it is to do interlocking circles. You can use these all over as an all-over pattern. You can use them in borders, and they're just really simple and perfect and easy to do. So I've shown you how to do the 1/4-inch circle inside the larger circle. I want to bring my pen back out to that first circle I worked. So we're going to pretend that we are working one size of circles. And I've worked the first one, and now I want to work one that interlocks halfway between. All I do is, I've got that mark in the center of my block where we started. I'm going to loosen my brake, and I want to just hold on to the idler arm and the circle maker when it's at its 3 o'clock position, and I want to just move the whole, everything, the machine, the fence, and everything, to where my needle is sitting right over that mark I made in the first circle. That's the center. So now I want to just stitch the same circle again. So what? That took about maybe 2 seconds right there. Now that's our pattern all the way across the quilt. So now all we have to do is loosen the brake, grab the idler arm and the circle maker, come right over to the 9 o'clock edge of that first circle where I've stitched. Flip my brake on, stitch regulate on, and now I've got them butting up next to one another, but they're interlocking too. And so much goes on in there. You can do designs in those, and it creates its own design as if like a kaleidoscope. So here I am at 3 o'clock again. I go right down to this one. Set my needle down if you want to make sure that you're not going over that stitching. And there they are, butting up one next to one another. And that's about, and the reason I got that little bobble is we are at a show and I just bumped into the other machine on the table. So, but you can see how quick you can do that. You end up getting these shapes. When you roll it, they set on, your next row sets right on top of this, and you've got all kinds of interesting designs going on in there with just a circle.